Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to my Flask machine learning chatbot tutorial. Today, I will introduce you to a module called a chatbot in Flask. It is a machine learning chatbot framework for creating a automated response chatbot using Python. So I will show you how we can integrate this chatbot module into our Flask app. And this chatbot module is developed by Twitter. Uh, you can read more about it. You'll see the link below. So this is the documentation. You can see more example about it. Plenty of documentation about it online, and you can see so many things and so on. So first thing we have to do today, I will have to install this chatbot module, and for those of you who doesn't know, this is my website, codesideacademy.com. You can visit this website and learn. All the tutorial I've been taking here, you'll see it there. You can go through it. And if you have any issues with any of the tutorial, comment below. Contact me through any of the media. You can see it on my website. Send me a private message. I'll always be there to help you out. So let's go. So the first thing we have to do, we'll open our terminal. So we'll install this module. Say pip install chatbot. I've already installed this, so I don't think I have to do this anymore, but make sure you type that and you hit enter. So once you have done with the installation, so we'll first create the chatbot. The chatbot will look like this. I have an example of it here. Just let me check. Okay, Python dummy.py. So with this chatbot, we'll be able to create our little computer friend that we can talk to and say hi, hello, how are you doing, and it will give us a response. So that's what we will do. So first thing we have to do, I've showed you here, you type pip install chatbot. So I've already installed this, I don't have to do this again. So the first step you have to do is to create a new Flask app. So before we create a new Flask app, we'll first develop this chatbot on our console, so that I will show you how we can migrate this to Flask. So I'll save this. The name we'll give our chatbot will be friend. So I will name this as friend.py. And as you know, this is a machine learning chatbot. We need a data set for it. Google has launched a new platform whereby we can get data sets now. But today I will just create a kind of my own knowledge base and my own chat history by myself. So these chatbots need a chat history to learn from. So before we go deep, I'll create a folder. I'll call this base. You can give your folder any name you like. So I'll call this base. So inside this base, there will be something called dataset.txt. Inside this dataset, we'll have a chat history, a chat log that I'll create. Say hello, how are you doing? What's up? Hey, I'm good. What is the time? Oh, I don't think we can do that for now. Funny. Yes, it is funny. So we'll create a basic chat history like this. You can get more data set from different places. You can export your own chat history from Facebook and use it to develop your own chatbot. And now once we create this chatbot will learn from this dataset.txt and understand this by itself. So now once I've done that, I'll go to my friend.py. So I'll import chatbot. I'll import chatbot. So I'll say from chatbot import chatbot. So once we have that, we also import some things. So from chatbot dot trainer, we need to access the trainer inside the chatbot so that we can use it to train our chatbot. We'll import train listener, list trainer. So say list trainer. So once we have this, now we can say, now we need to import our operating system so that we can access this base and access this datasets.txt. So I'll say import OS. So once we import operating system, so we are good with the requirement. So we need to create a variable. I'll create a variable called chatbot. So chatbot, the name of the chatbot will be friend. So once I have this, so let me just give this remark, create chatbot. So once we have this, we'll say bot.set underscore trainer. Okay, set trainer. We'll have this. Then we'll say list trainer. So once we have list trainer, then this guy, this is like a teacher. Let me give this thing a teacher. This is what will teach our chatbot. Then once we have this, we need to look through what we have inside our data set. So I'll say for knowledge in OS, we have import this OS. So os.list dir, and we open this. Then the name of our folder, which is base. So I'll say base. Okay. So once we have this, we'll bring this down and say, now we have to create a variable that we'll be using to access this data set. So we'll call this boot memory or boot memory. Let's just call this boot memory. I'll say boot memory equals to, we'll open the txt file, the data set. We said open base slash, then we concatenate this variable name. So whatever we have inside base, we'll open it. So plus base, then we pass in this R for read, then we say dot read line, then we close the parentheses. So once we have this, the variable we have here called the boat, we have saved so many things on it. So we'll now set boat.train. So once we have this, now whatever is inside this txt file, we'll put it inside this boats.train, whereby the AI, the chatbot, will learn from the teacher. So I'll pass in, so I'll pass in boat memory here. Once we have this, I think, so once we have this now, we are done with the training part. So we need to have a place whereby the user can input and say hello. So I'll create an infinite loop using while. So I'll say while true. So say user, I'll have a variable called user input. So whatever you type, we need to pass this into the boot response. So say input and this. So let's just have say I to my friend. So once we have this, then we can have space. So we are good to go. So we have to create a variable. Let me give this boot response, because this will be the response the chatbot will be giving us. So we'll have boot